Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install SideStore on your iPhone or iPad using a Mac. Let's get started with simple step-by-step guide. Here's what you will need to get started. I have linked everything in the description below. Links to download AltServer, SideStore IPA, Jitterbug pair. Download these files onto your Mac. Once the SideStore is installed on your iPhone, we'll download the WireGuard and its configuration file directly on the iPhone. Let's move on. Now let's set up AltServer on your Mac. Extract the AltServer zip file and move the app to Applications folder. Open AltServer. If you see a security warning, right-click and select Open. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac using a cable. With AltServer ready, let's install SideStore. Now, we will sideload SideStore on your iPhone. Open AltServer, hold the Option key and click on AltServer icon in the menu bar. Select sideload.ipa. Choose the SideStore IPA which we have downloaded earlier. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. AltServer will confirm once the SideStore is installed on your device. SideStore is now installed. Let's set up the pairing file. Next, we need to create a pairing file using Jitterbug pair. Extract the Jitterbug pair zip file and open the app. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is still connected to your Mac. Jitterbug pair will generate a file with extension .mobile device pairing. Now transfer this file to your iPhone using AirDrop. On your iPhone, open the SideStore app. When prompted, select this pairing file. That's it. SideStore is now paired with your iPhone. Now, let's download the remaining apps and files directly on the iPhone. Open App Store and download WireGuard. Use the link in the description below to download the WireGuard configuration file. If you haven't already, transfer the SideStore IPA from your Mac to your iPhone using AirDrop, or use the link from the description below to download the same. Once these are ready, we will configure WireGuard. To set up the VPN, import the WireGuard configuration file from the Downloads folder into WireGuard app by clicking on the plus icon at the top. Once this is imported, make sure to turn off the VPN for now. We will enable it later for refreshing the apps and sideloading additional IPAs. Here's final step. Open SideStore app. Sign in with the Apple ID you used earlier. When signed in, enable the VPN inside WireGuard. In SideStore app, tap on the plus icon in the Apps tab and select the SideStore IPA to install. Finally, refresh all apps by clicking on Refresh All. If SideStore ever expires, don't uninstall it. Just reinstall SideStore using AltServer, create a new pairing file via Jitterbug pair, and you are good to go. And that's it. You have successfully installed SideStore on your iPhone or iPad using a Mac. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.